How do I write block letters by hand?
Hello there. Today we are going to explore the world of hand lettering with a specific focus on block letters. Block letters, also known as print handwriting, are characterized by their clear and bold lines, and are commonly used in posters, signs, and banners due to their readability. Let's dive in and learn how to write block letters by hand.
What are block letters?
Block letters, in essence, are individual letters written in a manner that they occupy a block of space. These are usually uniform in size and are often used to emphasize text. They're typically sans serif, meaning they lack the small lines or strokes at the ends of the main strokes that make up a letter.
Materials needed.
To begin with, you would need the following materials: pencil and eraser. These allow for sketching out and making corrections to your letters before finalizing them. Ruler. This helps in maintaining uniformity and straightness of lines. Marker or pen. This is for finalizing your letters after sketching them out.
Step-by-step guide to writing block letters.
Step 1. Draw guidelines. Start by drawing horizontal lines with your pencil and ruler. These will serve as your guidelines. Ensure the lines are equidistant to help maintain the uniformity of your letters. Step 2. Sketch out the letters. Next, lightly sketch the outline of the letters with your pencil. Remember to make them large and distinct. Think about keeping the widths of your letters consistent. Step 3. Fill out the letters. Once you have the outline, you can begin to fill them in. Make sure to use even strokes so that the fill is uniform. This is where your block letters begin to take shape. Step 4. Finalize with pen or marker. After you're satisfied with your sketched letters, trace over them with your pen or marker. This gives your block letters a bold, finished look.
Tips and tricks.
1. Practice makes perfect. Like any other skill, practicing will improve your block lettering over time. 2. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try different lettering styles and sizes. The beauty of block letters is that they can be as unique as you. 3. Patience. Hand lettering, especially block letters, can be time-consuming. So be patient and enjoy the process. And there you have it. We hope this guide has helped you understand how to write block letters by hand. Remember, the key is practice, experimentation, and patience. Happy lettering!